And Mayo in the bottom of the ninth inning. Red Sox ahead 3-2. Gold. He went. That's strike three. Down he goes. One away.
Both by Cedar Rafaela.
1-0. And it is in there for strike three. Pumped in the heater at 98. 2-0. Two and two on Mayo. And in there for strike three. 99 to end the ball game. That is 14 consecutive hitless appearances now. Amazing.
41 batters in a row without giving up a hit from aroldischapman. The man is phenomenal. He's a machine.